One significant difference between outer exoteric religions and the esoteric path of the masters and mystics is this: those who seek to travel upon the inward journey of the soul not only have a belief system, a theology, a worldview — everyone has a belief system — but on the path of the masters, there is not only a belief system, there is also a contemplative spiritual practice. In order to experience something of the heavens even now, during this present life, during this present moment, to find the timeless even while passing through this physical realm in time. Rumi says, your task? To work with all the passion of your being to acquire an inner light, so you escape and are safe from the fires of madness, illusion, and confusion that are and always will be the world. Do not cease seeking day or night until you find the mysteries of the kingdom of light, which will purify you, make you into pure light, and lead you into the kingdom of the light. That's one of the sayings attributed to the resurrected Christ, quoted in the Book of Faith Wisdom, also known as Pistis Sophia. Once you discover this light and learn to live by it, your whole existence will be changed. Love will permeate your very being, and it will burst forth from the very pores of your body, transmuting all dross into sterling gold. A passage from Kirpal Singh. If during this lifetime entry has been made into the eye center and the sound current has been grasped, life has been usefully spent. If this has not been done, even though all else has been done, and most successfully, then life has been wasted. Always meditate every single day and never give up on your spiritual practice. From the teachings of Baba Devi Sahib, the great devotee of Sant Tulsi Sahib, sages and saints adopt the straight and simple way of living and teach us to meditate with surat, or concentrated or focused, alert attention. This meditation can be practiced in any posture, sitting or reclining, and by anyone, whether a follower of Vedic religion, Islam, or Christianity. What is important is not to live a single day in life without practicing meditation. All the experiences of pains and pleasures of the world one has to go through, notwithstanding. The loftiest or the highest outcome of adopting and following the ways of these saints or sants is that it takes one beyond the repetitive cycles of birth and death. Do not live even a single day without inner meditation.